Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create Amazon KDP account, Amazon KDP in 2025 tutorial for beginners. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for uh, Amazon KDP to the search bar, and here you can see self-publishing, Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, create a book, sign up for Amazon KDP, create a KDP account, and we'll click on the sign up for Amazon KDP option. And here you can see it's requiring my name, my email, and a password. So let's give the password here, and after giving the password, uh, you will be good to go with your Amazon KDP account. And it says solve this puzzle to protect your account. So let's just choose all the curtains like this one, and this one, and confirm it. And it's requiring to verify your email address. You just have to go to your email and give the code to them, and after that you just have to add a mobile number here, and after giving a mobile number you are good to go, and you will be already redirect to your Amazon KDP Amazon KDP account, and then you can publish or do the stuff it can be possible to do with an Amazon KDP account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.